Welcome to the next video in the series, Nodes on 1Cademy. In this video, we are going to go over code nodes. A code node displays a code snippet of a specified programming language. You can tell if a node is a code node by hovering over the icon on the bottom left-hand corner of the node. As you can see here, this is a code node. There are 4 languages that can be specified in code nodes on 1Cademy: Python, R, HTML, and JavaScript. Here is an example of a Python code node explaining a function. This is an example of an HTML code node outlining an HTML document. This next node is an example of R being utilized. Lastly, this is an example of a JavaScript code node. It is important to note that each node is color-coded according to the specified language. Please watch the following videos to learn more about the other types of nodes on 1Cademy.